Okay, for the mineral experiment, I have 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 3 teaspoons of salt. This 1/4 teaspoon of salt is the adequate intake of sodium, which is 500 milligrams, and the 1 1/4 teaspoon is considered upper limit of sodium, which is 2,400 milligrams, and the 3 teaspoon is a typical amount of daily intake for most people, which is 6,000 milligrams. So I went online and looked up the sodium per serving for Lay's potato chips, and I found 140 milligrams, 1 slice of bologna, 103 milligrams, 2 slices of white bread, 340 milligrams, and Campbell's tomato soup, which is 480 milligrams. So it says sandwich with 1 slice of bologna, 1 cup of tomato soup, and 20 to 25 potato chips. So I did 140 times 2 to get 280 milligrams for the Lay's potato chips, because 1 serving is only like 11 to 12 chips. And then I put 103 milligrams for bologna. And then I did 480 times 2, because 1 cup of tomato soup is actually 2 servings instead of 1 serving, because half a cup is 1 serving. So I got 960 milligrams. And then for 2 slices of white bread, I have 340 milligrams. So my total turned out to be 1,683 milligrams. And I compared it to the adequate amount needed daily, and it was 1,183 more milligrams than the adequate amount needed. And then I compared it to the upper limit, which is 2,400, and it was 717 milligrams less than the upper limit. And then I compared it to the typical amount that a person consumes a day, and it's 4,317 milligrams less. But the 1,683 milligrams is just for that 1 lunch meal, which I think is a lot, and I think a lot of people don't realize like how much sodium they're eating, because I don't ever realize it.